Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a welcome channel on the Discord. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to create a server on your Discord. Once you will create a server, here you will see create a channel. So simply you have to click on it. Right now you have to enter the name. Let's suppose I enter a welcome, then create channel. Once you will do it, here you will see welcome channel is created. Now you have to open your browser and you have to search for the me6.xyz. So this is basically a bot. You can add it to Discord. You have to click on this add to Discord button and you will see this type of the page. So once you will log in with your Discord on this bot and you will see this type of the page, simply you have to click on the authorize. Once you will click on the authorize, you will see one server is appear here. Simply you have to click on the setup, click on the continue. Now click again on the authorize. I am human. Now as you can see, this is connected with my welcome. This is connected with my server. Once you will do it, here you will see different options. Also you will see a welcome option right here. So here you will see a welcome. So simply you have to click on it. So here you will see send a message when a user join the server. So turn it on and here you have to select a channel. I created a welcome channel. After that, here you have to enter the message you want when someone join the channel. It will appear. So once you will write here, simply you have to click on the save. Once you will do it, your welcome message will be created. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.